Hi. The purpose of this video is to help the aides set up the aides laptop for hybrid classes. So this is for the aides laptop for hybrid classes. So the next procedure in setting up for hybrid, after we've gotten the main computer in the classroom set up and on Zoom, and also then we have helped to get the camera set up, the classroom camera, and we zoom that in so that we're set up on Zoom for that. The next part of this procedure is to set up the aide's laptop so that everything the aide will have to do during the class will then not appear on the main screen, but only on their screen. So we have these new laptops that were bought for the aides. And so when you open it up, it comes to a screen similar to this, and you just go and touch it. And it will come up to the password is needed to sign into this. So we put that in, you will be given that. And then it comes to this screen. So what you're going to do is on the left-hand side, you're going to look for the Zoom link, and you're going to hit that twice. And when you do, the Zoom workplace will come up on the main part of your screen. You'll go to join a meeting and you'll click on that. And then it comes to this screen, join meeting. You will need the meeting ID and the password for that. That has been sent to you in an email already, but let's say you don't have that with you. Not a problem. Go to the main screen, which you've already set up on the computer screen here. And if you go to this green shield on the top and click it once, all the information is here. So you need the meeting ID, so there that is, and you'll also need the passcode, and that's where that is. So we go back to the aide's computer, and I'm just gonna quickly put in, so I've put in that entire number, and then I go to join. It's then asking for the meeting passcode. So in this case, it is 689 288 76, and I click for join the meeting. It's going to show you the video setup, so you want to make sure that the computer is tilted in such a way that it's good for you, so that everybody in the class will be able to see and communicate with the aide, who is you. Okay, so then go to join. And right now it shows host is joined, so the other computer has joined. We'll let them know that you're here. So right now you're in the waiting room, and this is what our students get when they join the class. We go to the main computer again, and it says here, this is the aide's computer. It's asking to be admitted. So we can do that, or we can go down here to participants, and I'm going to show you that because that shows everybody at this point. And here's Ali at UNLV, that's the aides, and you want to admit. And the next thing you want to do here is, if you look at this list, the main computer is the host. My computer I have just as a student. I'm going to put my computer back into the library, back into the waiting room. But you want to make the aide's computer a co-host for this meeting. So you go here, when you move your cursor onto there, you'll see these three dots appear. Click there, and it says make co-host, or you can make host, but co-host is fine. On the main screen it says, do you want to make Ali at UNLV the co-host of this meeting? Well, yes, I do. And now you'll look back here and you'll see co-host and host. And then we still have one student in the waiting room. This is where all the names will appear before class until you admit everyone. But I'm just going to get rid of that. I'm going to go back to your computer here. When you're given this option, you have join with computer audio. So you want to do that. And Of course, you want to make sure that the audio is muted, which is what we ask all of our students to do as well. So that is the main setup to get you started. Now I'll make another video that will show you all the different things that you can do as co-host of this class. Thanks.